Action! Welcome to Happy Kitchen again today. Today we have something special. We have yellowfin tuna today on this side here, and we're going to fry it, or not really fry, but we're going to grill it with a barbecue grill with some vegetables, and we add a nice seasoning, and we're going to make it raw inside, like pink inside, on the outside grilled. Very nice. I'm going to talk about this later. Also today we have a lemonade. Classic limes, lemon and some soda water. And to taste we have some sugar later, we'll see how it goes, and also we add some ice later. So what we do first, we're going to put the vegetables inside the halogen cooker, which we're going to use for the vegetables. So I'm just going to heat it up now a little bit. We put it around 250 degrees. I'm just going to put it around 7 minutes, heat up 1 minute, and then we have 6 minutes to go for the vegetables. I'm going to start it now. What I'm going to add later to the vegetables is some chili oil and just some pepper and salt on the asparagus. So I'm just going to cut it now. We just have a few pieces today because we're just going to add it to the side. Just 3 pieces, that's it what we want today. And the asparagus here is already ready. So there's half a pepper here. I'll add some of the chili oil and some pepper and salt in a bit. So I'm just going to place it inside now, that's okay. I'm just going to open it up. Inside. That's good. And just asparagus as well. More. Perfect. Oh, here. Open is good. What I'm going to do now, on the peppers, I add some chili oil. Just a little bit. That's good. Perfect. And we have some salt here. And some pepper. And also I'm going to add some oil on top of the asparagus. Just some little bit on top. A little bit here, that's fine. Just on top a little bit more. Perfect. Great. So we're just going to put it on now. It's now for 7 minutes. We say about 6 minutes. We see how it goes. Next step is now the tuna. We have the seasoning outside, the crust outside. And for the crust, we're going to mix chili flakes. A lot. We're just going to mix chili flakes. We have some paprika powder. We have pepper and some salt. So the chili flakes are dominant here. We have it spicy today. That's fine. I'm going to stir a little bit around this. Perfect. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take the tuna and I'm just going to put it inside like this, so it goes from this side. I'm also going to do the same from the other side. I try to not cover the vertical side, just I try my best. This side and this side, from all sides basically. That's fine. Right, leave that here a little bit. Turn the barbecue grill on, put it for about 260 degrees, and I need to make sure that I turn it all the time, so I have the same heat from all sides at the same times. So I'm just going to place it, put it on start. It's turning out, just wait a little bit. It smells very good already here, that's very good. Add some on top here, so all sides are covered. And we see the outsides here I leave raw, as far as I can do it. The same on this side here, perfect. And all the other sides are covered with chili mixture. So that's perfect. I'm just seeing it's good. So we have quite high temperature, like 260 degrees. But that's fine because we're only going to fry it 1 to 2 minutes from each side. That's That's all good. So I'll wait a little bit more, but I'm gonna place it on to the grill now. That's good. I'm just gonna place it like this, and at the same time I'm looking how it's going. So the heat is now going on top of the tuna. Make sure that all sides are covered equally, and do my best with that. So I'm also going to look over in a bit. At the same time, the peppers and the asparagus is grilling. It's very nice. You can see inside it's grilling. It looks very good with the oil. That's good. That's perfect. Good. It's great. Next step now is we're going to make the juice. The juice, as I said, is lemonade. At the same time, I'm also looking over here what's going on and see when I need to turn it. I have some time left, so next time is the juice now. What I'm going to do is I'll have one can of soda water, put inside. Very good, very easy. Now we take the lemon, we have a look if there are any seeds inside. No, that's fine. I'm gonna throw it inside. Good. That's enough. Also looking in here, go fine. The second one, we have some seeds inside, let's take them out. Just to avoid the hassle later. If you can spot them, obviously take them out as far as you can do it. Good. Another part of the lemon now inside. That's fine. Now we take some of the limes. We have limes normally have seeds inside, but that's fine. That's good. Put it inside. That's fine. The other one. Now we take. That's fine. Now we take one more half. That's enough. Perfect. Just looking over this barbecue grill now, I can see a little bit from this side already frying. So what I'm going to do now, I take it and quickly turn it around, because you can see the top one's already fried. I turn it around to this side now. Perfect. And we do the same side. We do the same thing with the other side now, and then we do two small sides as well. So we see here is a little bit fried, a little bit white getting here. That's perfect. We don't want it well done, we want it like inside raw. We try our best with it. Looking over here to the vegetables, I turn it a little bit down now. We do about 200 degrees now because there's 1 minute left, that's fine. It's all good because they're almost done, that's what we want. We add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Good. It's gonna get ice. Perfect. And we also add some ice. Good. Right. Just gonna close it now. And I'm gonna start. We have some seeds here, but it's no problem. We can take them out later. I'm gonna use the smoothie option again as usual. And 30 seconds, and I'm just gonna start it now. Perfect. Lemonade is done. All good. For the taste later, you can decide yourself. Add more sugar if it's too sweet, if it's too sour, if it's too bitter. Add more sugar, no problem. I suggest brown sugar, a little bit more. I like it more. So I'm just gonna pour it inside now. It's good. Perfect. So that's the lemonade. Very refreshing, very good for the vitamins. eat every day. Very classic lemonade, just lime, soda water, and lemons. Very easy, very nice. Quickly looking over here, tuna. Perfect, that looks very good. What I'm gonna do now, do the same again. Place it like this. But I need to probably hold it. It's a little bit difficult, don't worry. I'm gonna place it like this and hold it a little bit as far as I can. Just a little bit, like another 30 seconds. And I'm going to do the same from the other side. Just make sure you don't burn yourself. But that's exactly what we want, because we have both sides now covered. With all the sides are covered with chili, and at the same time we have them grilled, and the inside, what we said before, we have raw. That's perfect. Just going to do the same now, open it up. That looks very good. And do the same. Obviously for the tuna, this is one recipe. If you're not into the spices, if you don't like chili as much, you can do the same, just leave the chili flakes away, have paprika powder, have pepper and salt, maybe add some garlic powder, and just some soy sauce if you want. I just want to have a little like dried outside, and inside very tasty and very still raw, very pink, because that's the form I like. And make sure for the tuna, you buy good quality tuna for this. Because if it's raw inside, there's always you always need good tuna to be able to eat this later, and also to be able to cook it like this. So just make sure. Perfect, I think. That looks very good. We have all sides covered now, that's what we want. And the inside is still raw, that's perfect, it's pink. It's not raw really, it's more like pink. That's perfect. Just gonna place it here. That looks very nice. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the vegetables, turn this off now, perfect. Take the vegetables, I'm gonna place them on the plate. So we see here very nice, the asparagus is very nice grilled, that's perfect. Place them in the middle, very neatly, very nice. There's more, that looks very good, very nice grilled, perfect, I like that. Good. What we do now, we place the tuna on top, and what we do is we cut it a little bit. So what I'm going to do now, I'll make sure I don't destroy it, but I'm going to cut it. So we see the inside is perfect, just make sure you don't break it. Inside is raw, pink, that's good. We do one more, that's not enough. Just make sure you don't break it, like I said. Sometimes a little bit difficult. So this one I break now, that's fine, I leave this away, no problem. Just for the presentation, I'm going to show these steps here. So we see here, very nice, that the tuna is inside raw, pink, and the outside covered with all the chili flakes. That's exactly what we want. And we place them on top. Just make sure it looks all nice. What we do now, very nice dish already. We add the pepper with the chilies now next to it, just as a little side dish. Obviously spicy today, but that's all perfect. We have this last one here, and this dish is therefore ready to be served. We have the nice tuna inside raw, very nice. We have the chili flakes outside. We have the asparagus with the oil and the salt and pepper, and then we have the peppers and chili around. That's what we want. We have the lemon next to it with the vitamins, very nice summer drink. And the whole dish is therefore done. And I hope you enjoyed that today. And I hope to see you again tomorrow.